Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about deleting your TikTok account permanently. So permanently, meaning if you opt to not try and recover your account within 30 days after deletion, it will be permanently deleted. You cannot recover it after that point. Otherwise, you may want to consider temporarily deactivating it. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your TikTok profile. And if you're unsure how to get to this page, just select the profile button at the bottom right, and then select the hamburger icon at the top right. Left click on that, and then select where it says settings and privacy. Underneath account, you want to select the account button, and then select deactivate or delete account at the bottom. So like I said, you have a couple options. You can either deactivate or delete permanently. Deleting permanently, it's permanent after 30 days. Otherwise, it's just temporarily disabled. So a couple different options there. And then you just would follow along with the on-screen prompts, and that is all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.